So ROM is stands for read-only memory, and this is non-volatile memory, which means it doesn't require any power to retain the data. So when your computer powers off, the data inside your ROM chips will still be there, even though when you power it back on, which is really important because of the job they do. So it's non-volatile. It's basically a factory-made chip that's built onto the motherboard. Okay, it contains the stuff inside ROM. It's basically instructions that are needed to boot the computer up. Can be known as your BIOS. Okay, so these instructions, when you boot your computer up, it's the ROM that tells your computer what the first things it needs to do are. So it tells the computer to do some self-checks, check everything's okay, and then fundamentally to copy the operating system into RAM. And once it's in RAM, RAM will then take over and your operating system will take over and be running from RAM. Okay, although it is read-only memory, it is possible actually to flash your BIOS on a ROM chip and make changes to it. So it is technically read-only memory, but you can make changes to it if you know exactly what you're doing. And that's ROM.